Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Today we're looking at this all-new Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is a 31-foot boat. Has a nice big swim platform here in the back, as well as a sunpad. These little sit-up seats actually fold down to make it a bigger area. There's a nice walkthrough. As you can see here, a nice big wraparound seat. Got some cup holders, some storage under those. Under here we have a refrigerator. Lift this up. It's a nice area. Congregate and get your drinks and food ready. Another seat here. This seat here actually flips around to make a full wraparound bench, which is nice. We'll go here to the bow. It's a nice open, very spacious bow. Couple speakers, nice handrails, hold on to. There's storage under both the seats. Here at the helm, we have two Simrads. They are both touchscreen. There's multiple different options on those, so you can set them to whatever you'd like. Have windlass anchor control, bilge pump, horn, diffusion, touchscreen radio. This one does come with Axios, so it's easy to dock and move around. And then this compartment is a nice sized head. Comes with the sink, sea deck flooring. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Subscribe and like this video, and you'll be able to see more videos. Stop in to see us today.